don't always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what is good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Is my mic on? Yeah, we lit. Alright, so welcome to another video, family. What is good with you guys today? Hopefully you guys had an amazing Sunday. This might not be going up on Sunday, but it's being recorded on Sunday for the upcoming week. So hopefully you guys do end up enjoying this video. If you do end up enjoying this video, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Click the Gleam link at the top of the description if you want to enter in 2 giveaways that will be ending this week, actually. So please go ahead and do those. One of them is for a Supreme Tee and a Burrow 5T. Follow them on Instagram for making this possible. And the other one is for Project 88. You will get to choose items from their website. So go ahead and check the instructions at the top of the description. With the Project 88 giveaway, you will choose whatever item you want from their website, and I'll throw in some Supreme stickers as well. So without any further ado, man, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so today I actually bought something from Supreme for resale. I've been meaning to make this video for a minute now, but I never got to it, so I decided to actually make it for you guys. Now, the reason I paid resale for this item is because I feel like maybe down the line this shit will go up in value. I don't know, that was just my thought process about it, and I feel like I made a mistake on jumping the gun to buy this item because I thought it would go up way faster than it actually did because it dropped in price, but that's beside the point. So today I got a couple pickups to show you guys, some light shit. I just didn't want them to go unnoticed, and then I will definitely get into this package. I'll let you know basically what my thought process was as to why I picked it up, why I got it. I actually do like the piece, so I had to go ahead and go through with it. Let's get straight to it. Alright, so like I said before, I had some slight pickups to show you guys. I picked up some polo socks, you feel me, just to be suited and booted with the socks. I need some long socks, so I decided to just pick these up from TJ Maxx. $8 for 3 polo socks, can't go wrong. So the first pickup was these polo socks right here. Got the black and red, black and blue, black and gray, iconic colors that you will never see because they're just socks. But that was the first pickup right here, these polo socks. Then I got 3 pairs of joggers. One of them right here, they're just a black pair of regular joggers with like a 3M strip on it. They don't have any zippers or like the cuffs at the bottom, just how I like my joggers. And if you know me, you know that I wear literally joggers most of the time unless it's like an event or some shit like that. So I got these joggers right here with the 3M strip, really comfortable. Honestly, they're fleece lined too, so for the brick weather, low-key a steal. I got these shits for $13 at TJ Maxx. Can't go wrong, bro. Like literally cannot go wrong, like at all. So I got these black joggers right here. I'm gonna just go through these real quick for you guys because I know this is not what you came for. Just felt like showing you guys a couple more pickups. We also decided to go with some gray joggers as well. You cannot go wrong with gray joggers. I usually like wearing sweats literally all the time, and these shits right here, when I tried these on, bruh, I had to have these shits. They're just so damn comfortable and they match with a lot of shit. That's honestly why I like it. I got the black ones and gray. You can't go wrong with either of these. They're also fleece lined on the inside, so you won't be brick. I don't even think I need long johns with these, honestly. And once again, $13. Don't get it fucked up. Now, this last pair of joggers, I was not expecting to find at TJ Maxx, to be honest, for this price at least. I thought at least $20, but I do got these Nike track pants right here. I think these are dry fit or something like that. Got the Nike swoosh right there, stripe halfway down the leg. Oh, they got zippers too at the bottom. You already know how they come in with the zippers. These shits are thin as fuck. They kind of remind me of the Adidas track pants, but they're Nike, and these are dry fit, which is also another good thing. I got these shits for $13, right? And look at the retail on these bitches. $60, bro. I got these shits for like 20% of the original price. TJ Maxx be having the steals, bro. Red track pants for $13 with the Nike emblem on them. Come on, bro. So those were the slight pickups I had to show you guys today. Now, when it comes to this pickup right here, I may have made a mistake, but at the end of the day, I really like this piece, so I had to go do it, had to go through with it. So I picked this up right here. Now, I know that when people bought this online, they probably got some dope ass stickers. I couldn't get this online, so I still decided to go ahead and scoop it up because I actually really wanted this. So right here, we got the Blessed bundle. Got that Blessed branding right there, which is really cool. Kind of gives me that off-white vibe because they got the quotations and shit like that. Really sick. I actually ordered a magazine that brings the Blessed poster inside of it. Once I get those, I will show you guys. I was looking on eBay to buy the posters and I saw like this Fresh Prince poster on there. Then I started doing some research. I hit the dude that was selling them up and he actually let me know that on Zoomies, you could find them shits in the magazine. I'm gonna show you guys when I get it. Low key, it's a Thrasher magazine. Just look it up and you might be able to find it. I don't want to let everybody know because I might pick up a whole lot of them shits. XL boys right there. I don't know, bro. I feel like this tee and this pack is just really clean. Had to go scoop it up for myself. Got the tag right here. I feel like Dude Man's actually opened the pack, to be honest, but it is what it is. I don't really care. First, we do got the Blessed DVD right here. I'm actually gonna be taking a look at this, and if you want to see like a reaction or a review on this, let me know in the comments down below because I might go ahead and make that for you guys. Got the Blessed right here with the Supreme BOGO right there. And yo, for the longest time, I've been having my lights literally beaming on me, and I was looking at like Pooty on YouTube. He's a vlogger or whatever. I saw how I'm supposed to put my lights so it's not directly beaming on me to the point where you could actually still see the items. You feel me? Like now I feel like I got better lighting, even though I have the same lights that I had before, but it is what it is. So I am gonna be opening this up for you guys real quick. All right, so right here we got the Blessed bundle. This shit actually feels really smooth, but inside here we got the DVD with the Blessed on it, the box logo on it. Pretty cool design on the inside of it. This is the outside of it. Then inside there we got the photo book, which is honestly really clean in my opinion. I do want to style my room with this, and if you hating, then fuck you. But we got this with the BOGO right under it. I just feel like this is gonna go up in value as time goes on. This design right here kind of reminds me of the cutouts tee that they did at the beginning of the season. I just feel like that's kind of where they got inspired from. But right here we got the first piece of photo. We got some more photos. I'm not really gonna go through this whole shit, but y'all get the point. Go through a couple of these for you guys. These might fuck around and be scenes from the movie. I don't know. It's pretty sick, to be honest. I think this is one of the main dudes right here. This is Tyshawn. He's actually a pretty good skater. Next up, we got these Bang right here. That shit about creepy than the motherfucker, and that's what we gonna end that at. So we got the Blessed bundle, got the photo book right here, got the DVD right here, and last but not least, we got the tee in this beach right here. Shit is hard, bro. I really love this design. The only problem with me is that the tee is white. I only would wear this shit with the hoodie over it, like a zip up hoodie or some shit. I don't know if I could wear this just out and about type shit because I feel like it would get so messed up. You got that Blessed on the back right there, that off-white vibe once again. Got that Supreme box logo right under it, and it says Blessed 2018 on it. Super sick, bro. Honestly, this piece right here is really fire, so I had to go pick it up. Now, at the time that I bought this, I paid like 100 plus shipping, and honestly, I should have waited a little bit. I could have probably got it for like 95 shipped or whatever. It's not that bad of a loss, but at the end of the day, I did take a loss. I knew that that would happen because when it comes to Supreme, you shouldn't jump the gun. Like, you shouldn't buy an item the first day that they drop, because after all the online orders come in, prices will plummet before they skyrocket. So I feel like these pieces right here will definitely go up in value as time goes on. That's just my take on it. Supreme is a skateboard brand, and they dropped the skate DVD, which was in a bundle. So I feel like this might fuck around and take off. That's just my thought on it. I feel like if they would have had a small box logo on the front, this would have been way more popularized, but since it didn't, y'all already know how hypebeasts be coming. Personally, this is my first item that I ever paid resale for. Never thought that I would be paying resale for Supreme, but hey, look at me now. Doing the bullshit. I should have never did it, but I had to pick this up. I honestly really like this whole design on it. Really clean look on it. Really clean in my opinion. So I had to go pick these up. I honestly really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was kind of like a different video because I never pay resale, but I had to. I literally just had to. Never pay resale for Supreme on the first day should be the lesson that you take from this video. Always wait till online orders start coming in because that's when prices go down. That's just the way that I look at it, especially after this mistake. I mean, I already kind of knew that that was the case, but after this, I really know that that was the case. Like, box logos went down probably like $150 from the first day to like the day that order started coming in. They took a little big ass dip, and right now you could get them for like $500-600 maybe 700. I don't know where they're at exactly because I'm not about to cop one, but I feel like prices did definitely go down on those. The only piece that price didn't go down on was that TNF. That shit was probably one of the most sought after pieces this this season. Don't at me on that. Got this blessed tee right here. One more last look at it before we dip out. Got that XL boy right there. You already know how we coming. Got that blessed on the back with the Supreme box logo. And that pretty much wraps this video. Let me know what you guys thought about it down below. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Comment if you've ever paid resale for Supreme, and if you did, what did you buy? Did it end up bricking after that? Did the price go up a little bit? Just let me know. I'm actually kind of interested to see what your take is on it. Leave a like I said. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and did end up enjoying the content. Click the Gleam links at the top of the description if you do want to enter in 2 giveaways, which are going to be done at the end of this week. I'll let you guys know the instructions at the beginning of the video, but if it was a little bit unclear, check the description and it should all be there, honestly. But without any further ado, man, I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out. We blessed.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.